Let's take a look behind of the box. Let's see what's in there. As usual with Revell, you can see details of finished product. There's a detail of the engine when it's finished, and even though we don't have a lot of colors, we have just 10 colors, but still, of course, you can add to those to add more detail. But of course, our black is the prominent color here if you want to make in this scheme, and red as well. And you obviously will need green for the cockpit parts and so on, but overall pretty nice. So let's open it. Always opening it for the first time right here. Yes. So bring it right now. I'm gonna take the contents out, see what we got. We have the screws first. Okay, this is the master bag. Again, I love these large parts. I wish they made models with large parts like this, but for beginners. It would be great. I would love that. Like, take half those, like 100 parts, for example, but in this exact scale, it would be great. But they almost never do that. If you know of such a model kit, just let me know, because whenever the model gets bigger, they add more and more detail and more parts, and it becomes much more harder, which I think defeats the purpose kind of, because for me at least, the point of buying a larger model is to handle it easier in the first place. But it appears I am in the minority here. Everybody wants detail. Everybody see how thick that sprue bag is. This is the main sprue bag. This is the only one, I think. Here we have the transparent parts, and see how large the tires are. So these are the back, and this is the front tire, I think. Yeah. And any other recognizable, here are the engine parts. You can see the little wing, obviously, but you can see the thickness of the sprue. A lot of things. Yeah. So let's keep digging into the box. Nowadays we get these color things. So we have the, I'm gonna make this video over 18 years old, 18 plus, because of the lady art in the nose, but anyway. So it's a Chadwick 5, Chadwick 7 as well. So overall appears to be nice transfer sheets. I'm sorry for the camera shake. Sorry. Let's keep going on the thing here. Look at that. 3 paints are mixed. 50% of this, 30% of this, 20% of this. That is not happening. I'm not doing that. I'm sorry. I'm just gonna find something that looks like it and just go on with it. I'm sorry. I just can't be bothered. I'm not going to a modeling competition. I'm building it just for personal fun, so I'm not gonna torture myself with that much details. But you know, if you don't like torture, why do you buy this model in the first place? You can ask, and you'll be completely right. Look at that detail. Look at that intricate design. That's detailed. You have to drill holes in those places and so on and so forth. A lot of things to do. Engine assembly. A lot of small intricate parts. Yeah, look at the engine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts. So this is, if I'm not mistaken, a 2 rotary cylindrical engine. 2 of them in tandem. So it, I believe, has pretty good horsepower. It has good firepower as well, obviously, but it has very good horsepower as well. This should be the ones where they're using the rifle rounds to start the engine. You know what I mean? I'm not sure, but I'm just guessing. It just looks like a plane that might be like that. So here are the first paint scheme see, 7th Chadwick, Korea 1952. Yeah, so post World War II. And we have a much easier color scheme here. 5th Chadwick, Japan 1951. But I think I'm gonna go with the black because it's so much more beautiful. Oh, we have yet another one. Still Chadwick. Again, 5th Chadwick. Oh, I'm sorry. This is the same as the. This is just from the other angle of this one. So we have in total just 2. But I'm sorry. I'm going with the black. No contest there. Nothing else. So I'm putting it back in. Right. So thank you very much for taking part in this installment of my modeling haul. I hope you like the models. Tell me what you think about them, and please like and subscribe. See ya!